I found these tea towels at Hobby Lobby. They were $5.99 with 50% off. And you can find these in the seasonal section. And I'm going to lay them together, right sides facing each other. And this is Surebond. It's a glue for material. And I'm going to start by just pinning all the way around my project, except for one end I'm going to leave as an opening. I made sure I ironed, just get all the wrinkles out. And I hit both sides. I'm using my new glue gun that Jamie got me for Mother's Day and my Surebond. Surebond is a glue for material, as I just stated, and you can find this in Hobby Lobby over by the glue stick section, which is usually close to the floral department. In the same section as you would find the wreath forms, the metal wreath forms, that's usually where I find it in our Hobby Lobby. So when you're gluing, you don't want to make sure that you're hitting every spot going around all the edges. And you also want to make sure that you're getting on the other side of the stitching, as you don't want to see this in the end. And again, I'm just going all the way around, removing my pins as I go along. And just leaving the one opening. Tea towels are a wonderful way to get good material, to do all kinds of projects. And what I like about the ones that are full pattern is you can use them in any which way you want, whether it's rectangular or square or up and down. It's just a constant fat pattern. So now I am folding my, this is a pillowcase, inside the right side back in, or however you want to say it. And here's my opening. So these are Velcro. I do prefer it in a roll, but I just grab them from Dollar Store or Dollar Tree, and they work really great. And this particular time, they only had the sectional ones. Sometimes you can get them in black or white. Again, I just grab whatever the Dollar Tree has. So I start by getting my Velcro together in the strips, and I release one side. Now these are extremely sticky. The glue is quite durable. So a lot of times I will lay the one side down with no additional glue, but you most certainly can add some more glue, some of the Surebond if you wanted to. These are a peel and stick type application. So once I got them all down on one side, I pulled up the paper to expose the stickiness on the other side, and on this side I am going to add some Surebond. Now, if you're able to use a full-size tea towel, many times you can fit a full-size bed pillow in there, which I prefer. I like big pillows on my couches or even on the bed. They're more useful. And here you go. Now you have this cute Americana, no sewing involved, throw pillow or bed pillow. And it's reversible. You can either show this side with the stripes or you can flip it over to the stars. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. To see other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube or chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.